Greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to look at the last of the C1 Corvettes that we currently have on our sales floor. Tell you details in a minute. Greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today I'm going to give you some details of one of the last C1 Corvettes that was out there, the 1962, of course. Here we have a great example right here on our sales floor. The red, of course, being one of the most popular colors in 1962 as well as even today. A little detail about this car: beautiful paint, nice chrome work, does have a 327 period correct engine. We have done lots of nice recent upgrades to this car, including such things as got a brand new windshield, the dash pad's been redone, new interior, new foam, new white soft top as well. This car also does come with both the soft top and the hard top. So kind of those nice features of these days that not everybody ordered. The other thing this car has with the 327, it does have the powerglide automatic transmission. So if you have someone that is more inclined to want something that's an automatic, easier to drive, this is the answer for you right here, because there's not as many automatics out there as there are sticks. The other upgrades that we've done to the car, you got all new radial tires, whitewall radial tires with correct full wheel covers as well. So yeah, a 1962, the last of the C1 Corvettes. We have a great example right here in Rogers, Minnesota, along with our other close to 100 cars on our indoor sales floor. Come and take a look. You can find us on the website if you want underneath pictures, more details of the car. Please visit our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. You can come and visit us in person. We're not ashamed of that, and we got a nice indoor showroom that's heated or cooled, whatever the season may be. You can also find all our information on YouTube, Instagram, and I believe we even have some out there on several other websites as well. So take a look. We've got a 62 Corvette C1 right here waiting for you. Come and take a look, and we'd love to show it to you.